Hey Cora, we're gonna go to pick up a new car. You wanna come? Oh, he's shy. Alright, just tell him we went to go pick up a car. We'll be back.
Look at the view.
It's like 6 in the morning. You guys are probably pissed off because last video you probably thought that was the car I was gonna get. No, this is the car. I don't think I've ever had butterflies buying a car. I bought so many cars, but I feel weird inside about this one. Maybe because I spent a ton of money I probably shouldn't have. And we're in the middle of moving, so.
Great financial decisions.
If you guys can like this video, share it, do whatever you can. I need some money back. We gotta postpone the merch drop because we can't afford it anymore. No, I'm just kidding. See my new truck?
Nice truck, Josh.
Oh, you guys see my new truck?
That's sick.
Sick! Oh my god. Did you guys expect this? Because I didn't. Gosh, it's so much more gangster in person. I've only seen a 2-door, I haven't seen a 4-door.
There's a Hot Wheels sticker too.
I know, see that? Pretty much a freaking Hot Wheels. That's how rare these things are. It's really expensive Hot Wheels, so you can either buy these for a lot of money, or you can get yourself a classic like this. I'm this type of person. I don't know about that.
Strap that tire down real good.
I ain't going nowhere. This is so cool looking. Just don't let that tire tuck, dog.
How's it going?
How you doing, man?
Good, I'm good. You didn't break the bank for it, did you?
I totally did, man. I gotta sell all these cars now. I'm broke.
Yeah, I know he saved up 20 years to buy it.
He saved up 20 years to buy it?
That's what he told me. So I don't know if the battery will stay jumped up.
I bought a new battery for
Okay.
it, so if anything, I'll just throw the new battery in. That's cool. It's not a sedan though. Dude, check out that Nissan Key from 50 years ago.
Ever see Josh
Look at
taking
that
his selfie,
face.
guys?
Just look at that. That is a face of joy right there. Look at that. Definitely the coolest thing I've ever bought in my life. Though.
Normally the trucks get all the attention.
Yeah.
Not on this one. It says only 3 of them.
Lip scraping.
Yeah, you good.
Oh man. Shout out OMG GTR. If you guys are looking for any skylines in general, S02 crazy cars, OMG GTR will tag him. He found us the R34, sourced me this. Shout out Gabe. Gabe sent me his story and I sent the deposit like within 10 minutes. See what my mom thinks about this.
Wow, it even has a sticker of Hot Wheels. It looks like a Hot Wheel.
Looks like a Hot Wheel. What do you think about it? Come look at this.
I
thing.
like it. It's classic. Oh my goodness.
51 years old.
Oh, I can buy it.
You want to buy it? I'll sell it to you.
Yeah, the door's locked.
Oh my gosh, everything is.
It's all
Is this
original.
all original? Oh my god. Josh, right here is all original. Oh, it's so nice.
That's your
yeah.
AC, look. You have AC. 1970 with AC.
Can I see the engine?
You want one? Let's go find you one. Yeah, look at the engine,
There's a
Mom.
little thing on
There's
that.
there's a little things here and there, but it's 51 years old, so it's carbureted.
God,
I don't even know what noise it's making.
that really looks classy. Even this blue thing is classic.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That's like a leaf blower.
It's a leaf blower.
That's an old school carburetor.
And how do you want payment?
That's the title. Cash.
Cash. Okay. I wasn't told cash, but there's a bank right
Well,
now.
certified check, but we prefer cash. It can be a certified check.
Mom's over here talking about getting a classic Corvette because the one she has is-
1958
It's a 1958?
Corvette Stingray.
Dang, you're gonna get it?
Yeah. Wait, can you open it?
America! That's what happens when you marry a white man.
It's been garage for 30 years.
And then you make a half white, half Filipino who likes Japanese cars.
Josh, the Corvette's been garage for 30 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna pull her in the driveway.
It's tiny, bro. It can fit anywhere. It's so small. It's so cool.
I'm so scared to drive.
Bro, you're gonna...
Am I gonna straight?
No, you're good. Woohoo!
Dude, that Hot Wheels sticker is everything.
No.
No, it's
That
not.
needs to come off. I gotta go grab some cash.
Are you gonna?
It's 50 years old.
Right.
It has a reason to be a little bit worn. Thank you. Official owner of a Nissan 4-door. Sick. So, I got a Toyota Prius battery. Hopefully, it fits. Should be the same dimensions. Should fire right up. Quick start, baby. Check this out. Oh my gosh. That is too cool. This is your windshield wipers. Okay, maybe I don't want to do that right now. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Stop. Turn off. Okay. We got AC. We've got cold AC. We've got the... Oh, we've got a freaking USB adapter. Check out the e-brake. I don't know how to use it. Okay, there you go. It's pretty cool. We got the flashlight, bro. Check out the freaking flashlight. That's definitely not original. Let's go for a skid.
Got the skyline floor mats. It's pretty comfy in here, bro.
It is. Steering wheel's kind of low. It's kind of hard to get in, but okay, we're in. No seatbelts. We don't need those anyways.
Here. Yeah, there's none.
Oh, they're around the back. They're only lap belts, dude.
It's like
That-
a case car.
Lap belts that don't fit. Dang, with the Nissan label. It doesn't say Nissan on it. I feel like I'm flying an airplane for some reason. I don't know why.
In case you guys didn't know, Josh used to fly planes. I'll insert the clip right here.
If I can find that clip, I will insert the clip right here. Neighbor's like, freaking idiots bought another car.
It's so clean.
Oh, it's no power steering. It's so hard. Yeah. Gotta love that. Bro, look at this steering wheel. It's like I'm driving a semi-truck.
Dude, that steering wheel is super cool though.
4-speed. Sick. Okay, okay. I think we gotta put the choke in or out. I don't know. We can make it up this hill. This is what a lot of money can buy you. Barely getting it up the hill. I'm full throttle. we're full throttle up this hill, boys. I might have to let the car behind us pass. Oh my god. We'll change the way it drives. Oh, we're rolling down the hill. Alright.
What's happening?
I don't know. It's carbureted, bro.
Bro, this is how people used to drive.
Yeah. I think we're gonna have to swap the motor in this thing, boys. What do you think we should do? Put an RB26 in it? I can't even go. I can't even drive. I'm hoping this clears up. Gotta let this guy pass. There's gotta be a certain way to drive this thing.
It's so funny how there's a car you don't know how to drive.
I don't know how to drive this thing. There's no RPM gauge, there's a clock, because I need to see what time it is.
It's a friggin' analog clock.
Just let everyone pass.
Just hop on the freeway, bro.
Then we got hydraulics.
Car's twerking.
Runs a bit rough. Probably just gotta clear out. And we're in our final gear, 4th gear, guys. You see that? 4 speed. Oh, okay. I guess that's considered smooth for a 50-year-old car. Well, we're driving though.
Smooth now.
I don't know how low it is yet, so I'll just snake everything. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. We're warming up now. But maybe we should turn the AC off. That might help it run a little bit better.
Sick ride, bro.
Yeah, I just parked in the middle of the road. There's a car behind me. Oh, there's multiple cars.
Uber?
Hi. どこ行く?
あそこです。
Hi. That's how it feels like when you're
It's so cool. Bro, this freaking thing has leg room.
And this seat's all the way back.
I'm not even
We're chilling, dude. This is like a taxi cab. We're cruising, bro.
freaking love this car.
I'll just cruise up and down this street. Wake up in the morning, hey Jordan, want to go for a ride?
You got the Leah exhaust going on, bro.
Dude, this is like an airplane seatbelt. Look at it. Just push the button. It's like an airplane. What do you guys think? Good purchase? I think it was a great purchase. I've been trying to look for a car that I'm actually satisfied with, and I think I finally found it. Like, these cars are cool and everything, but anyone can have these cars. But this, when was the last time you seen one driving around on the street? Because I have never seen one. I saw that one parked at Speed SoCal, but that's it, dude. I've never seen a sedan in person. Thanks a lot.
You got free merch, bro.
Hi.
Nice shoes, by the way.
Thank you.
You
Oh,
got free.
is this part of the deal? Whoa, wait. So this is Shingo. Shingo's the person I bought the car off. You guys need to go check. I'll tag his Instagram, but he has a Hako front on. It doesn't look like that. It looks like this. He has a Hako GTR front on his truck. It is so gangster. Bro, I don't think this was supposed to be in this. I really don't, because these are like really expensive, Jordan. I don't think. Bro, Cosmo? Oh, bro. No way. Bro, Shingo, you are crazy. I can't believe you hooked it up with all these goodies. Oh my gosh. We've got some gems. You guys already know I love Hot Wheels, but you didn't have to give me these ones, dude. These are expensive Hot Wheels. Like,
That's why
Mazda
you put the Hot
Cosmo.
Wheels stickers, bro.
I'm guessing you collect Hot Wheels too, man. I like your style, but I really like these stickers. Check it out, guys. We got the Hako on the sticker. Got a bunch of them. Thank you, Shingo. I'm juiced. I think we need to put a juice counter on this video because I'm juiced. Is this? Oh, this truck. Sick. And this is.
Upside down.
I'm like completely satisfied with life at the moment. Thank you to all of you guys. You guys are the ones who made this happen. This is my dream to own a Hako, and 1 year later on YouTube, we've reached that goal. I don't even know what the next couple years is gonna bring us, but I still need my 34 GTR.